Alright guys, just finished up another AT4HD. This one's got the 4-inch Cognito Performance Series, 37, 12, 50, 20 Yokohama Geolanders. The Cognito kit does clear the factory wheels, and the 37, 12, 50 is just fine. Very little trimming. You don't need a wheel spacer. We only trimmed the bottom corner of the valence and the inner plastic. It cleared fine without trimming, but we just wanted to make sure that it wouldn't rub in any weird situations. This is the Performance Series, which is going to get you the Fox Resi shocks, Cognito upper control arms, Pittman and idle arm braces, and then we also added the BDS steering stabilizer. You can see the upper arms here, and then the Resis kind of tied in there. This kit, it's got great angles on it. The double skid plate looks really nice as well. With the steering stabilizer and the Pittman arm brace, you're gonna have to drop the stabilizer down about 1.5 inches. I don't know if you can see that in there or not, but real clean setup. Fox Resi's in the rear. You always want to make sure you angle that Resi on these or it will hit the bump stop. Alright guys, that's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.